Many people start their fitness journey wanting to lose fat or get fit. Good intentions, but most never get results. One major reason is training at the wrong intensity. They either go too easy and see nothing, or push too hard and burn out. There is a smarter middle ground that elite athletes have used for decades. It is called Zone 2 training. What Zone 2 is? Zone 2 is training at 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. The simple test is this: you can speak in short sentences, but you cannot sing or chat easily. It feels almost too easy. That is the point. This intensity sits just below your lactate threshold. This is the point where your body shifts from a comfortable aerobic effort to a hard anaerobic effort. The reason why this is so effective in helping trigger fat burning in your body is that at Zone 2 intensity, your body burns fat as its primary fuel. It builds mitochondria, the energy factories in your muscles. It improves insulin sensitivity, strengthens the heart, and builds an aerobic base that makes every other exercise easier. Elite athletes spend 70 to 80% of their training in this zone. They are not grinding, not pushing, just moving comfortably for a long time. You may be curious about Zone 2 versus high-intensity interval training. HIIT is also good for burning fat. Zone 2 is the safer, more sustainable foundation. HIIT raises your ceiling. Zone 2 builds the engine underneath. The best approach is to have both, mostly Zone 2 with 1 or 2 harder sessions per week. These are some great exercises for getting you into the zone. They are walking, incline walking, cycling, rowing, elliptical, or swimming. These exercises can normally keep you in the zone for 30 to 60 minutes, and they are the type of exercises that you likely can do consistently, especially for a fitness novice. Now let's look at the minimum effective frequencies for doing these exercises. Ideally, 2 to 4 sessions per week, 30 to 60 minutes each, at least 150 minutes per week total. You should feel some changes, and results will be felt in 2 to 4 weeks. It has a more substantial impact in 6 to 12 weeks. Here's a simple beginner plan for you. For the first 4 weeks, keep it simple. 3 sessions a week, 20 to 30 minutes each. No pushing, no grinding. Just move at a pace where you can still talk, but you can feel your breathing working. That is your zone. Stay there. No hard intervals for now. The only goal is showing up consistently and letting your body adapt. Week 5 onwards. Add 1 short HIIT session per week. Keep Zone 2 as the foundation. Learn and practice finding your Zone 2. It is the key. It is your foundation. As a beginner, do not worry too much about perfect form. Showing up and getting into a routine is the priority. Choose the exercises you enjoy, keep the pace in Zone 2, and train at a pace you can sustain for life. The results follow. Train smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.